We're going to be naming alkanes in this video, so naming alkanes. So the first step, or the rule, to naming alkanes is to look for the longest carbon chain. So suppose we have this molecule. Well, what would the longest carbon chain be? Well, this is pretty funny. Of a molecule, we can just have this to be the longest carbon chain, right? This is 4. We can also say this is the longest carbon chain. Yeah, or vice versa, right? So these two both work out. Let's stick with the turquoise chain though. So this is our molecule, and these are the two substituents in red. And these substituents are methyl groups, right? So we have 2 methyl groups. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4 is our longest carbon chain, 4 carbons. So that's going to be butyl. And it's an alkane. It's an alkane, right? Single bonded. So it's butane. Now all we have to do is add these 2 methyl groups onto this butane. Right, this is butane. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's number our carbons. So on carbon 2, we have this methyl group. On carbon 3, we have this methyl group. Now we can go the other way. We can name this as carbon 1, carbon 2, carbon 3, and carbon 4. Now this methyl group is on carbon 2. This is on carbon 3, right? But it doesn't matter because either way, we still have a methyl group on 2 and on carbon 3. Okay, so we write 2,3 methyl butane. But there's still one step. In order to signify that there are 2 methyl groups, we put a di. So dimethyl. Signify. So in the end, this is just 2,3 dimethyl butane. Okay, cool. All right, so let's do this one. First step is to look for the longest carbon chain. So what would that be? Would this be it? That's 4. This is 4 carbons. This is 5, I think. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 5. We can also go this way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So purple or orange works out, right? So yeah, I'll draw it in red. So this works out. We can have that one to be our longest carbon chain, or we can have this one. I like this one. This is more pleasing to my eye. So let me just draw the molecule again. Okay. Okay, so we have 5 carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons. So that corresponds to pentane, right? This is an alkane, so pentane. And we have 2 methyl groups, right? So let's name the methyl groups. Well, let's name the carbons, right? Number the carbons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? We can go the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do we use 2,3 dimethyl pentane? Or are we going to use 3,4 dimethyl pentane? Well, we just have to see which numbers trump each other. So the lower numbers are prioritized. So 2 beats 3. 3 beats 4. You want the lower numbers. So we have 2,3-dimethylpentane. And that's it. It's not going to be 3,4-dimethylpentane. We want to decrease these numbers as much as possible. Okay, so let's get to a really difficult one. Oh. I want to be consistent. Okay, so let's figure out what the longest chain is. Well, it seems like this is just going to be the longest chain. You know? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But maybe this one could be it. Nah, that's not going to be it. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nope. So it's going to be the red one. And there are so many dots. Oh, God. Okay. So, yeah, this is going to be the longest chain. Let's just draw it in red. And we have 2 methyl groups here. We have this group. And we have this methyl group right here. Now, this group is, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's butane, right? And we know that butane, if it's attached to one of these center ones, it's going to be sec. But more accurately, it's going to be sec butyl. So this substituent is sec butyl. Okay. So let's name the carbons now. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Oh, this is nonane, right? Nonane. So we have 3 dimethyl. We have 5 sec butyl. And we have 8 methyl. We can number it the other way. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this would be 7 dimethyl, 5 sec butyl, and 2 methyl. So let's see which one we will prioritize. So 3 is less than 7. So 3 wins. This is a tie. Just put a T here. And 2 beats 8. Wow. So what do we do here? Well, we have 2 3 dimethyls, but we have a 2 methyl. We have 2 7 dimethyls. We have 1 8 methyl. In this case, we're going to pick. We're going to pick this. In this case, the 2 methyl will be 8 methyl. And we want to prioritize the 1 methyl, right? We want the lowest number for this 1 methyl. And just sacrifice the 2 7s, right? Instead of 2 3s and then an 8. So when naming this, we're going to do 5-sec butyl 2,7,7 trimethyl nonane. Okay. When there's a tie like that, right? One trumped the other one and the other one trumped the other one. We want the lowest number. Just get the lowest number, and that will be it. You'll have this combination. 277 will be what was it? 338, right? You want the 2 over the 3 in naming it. And it's trimethyl because we have 3 methyls here, right? So that's it. And that's going to be it for this video.